Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give a micro update on Rune. If you want to see the macro and my explanation of all this, it's one of the cryptos I think could have bottomed here in June, and we're actually starting a new bull run. There's always those outliers in the crypto market that go against everything else, and I think this is potentially one of them. So I'm going to be trading this one pretty actively. Just to show you the impulse off the low, potentially a 1, 2, 3 working on a fourth wave, or the fourth is in over here, and finishing up a fifth wave impulse up at the 2.618. Now if we look at this 1, 2 just real quick, if we look at the time between the two, you can see it appears like the fourth potentially isn't done yet. If that's the top of our third, it seems like we have more time, and the fourth usually takes a little bit longer. That's why I think it's potentially not done yet, but I do think a low is in. So if we look at this bullish scenario, we have a 3-wave down, ABC. We have a wave up, looking for another wave up for our C, and potentially 5 waves. And from there, go to the 30-minute, I can see this playing out in a few different ways. Either this turns into a triangle and we take off for our fifth wave, or we get some sort of flat pattern and we take off for our fifth wave. Those are the two main scenarios I see playing out. Or if we are bullish, we're making our ending diagonal to complete our fifth, which would be more like a double top. So I'm in this trade right now. Sorry I missed the entry for you guys. But if you do decide to take this entry, the important thing with the triangle or the flat is you might have to hold through some chop, but the stop would go, if your entry was here, I got a little lower, but your stop should go at this level here. Because if we do make our ABC and we end up making that triangle at the 1-to-1, you can see we're close to the 0.618. That's where we'd expect a triangle to start, and we're targeting above highs, so a nice little 3-to-1 either way. But if we get that wave up as an ABC, and that would be our B wave of the triangle, we'd expect to hold the 618 right here. That's why your stop can go at this pivot, because if we go below that pivot, it most likely invalidates the triangle and the flat scenario. And as you know, most fourth waves come between the 382 and the 50, which we've already gone through. So if it comes any deeper, I'd expect this whole wave to most likely collapse to new lows. So it's a nice little entry, tight stop, pretty straightforward trade for the most part. So hoping we really get this impulse. If I go back to the daily again, you can see most likely we've finished our correction. We hit the bottom of our channel for our correction. We hit at the 786 to the tick. We have an impulse up off the bottom. So it looks really good. Not many cryptos look like this right now. So I'm pretty excited for this one. All right, guys, if you want updates, make sure to subscribe. Hit that button to make sure you get every update. And at the end, I have a playlist of all my updates for the day. So you're welcome to click that. Thanks. Bye.